Uptown Swing, Charleston.
Level 1.
Madeline. Peterlin.
Up.
Oh, we did Charleston, perhaps you recall. Here's the one little note about last week's stuff. The double kick at the end. Rock, step, kick, and kick, step. Rock, step, kick, and clean. Don't do that. Don't elide the kick and the step. Do a kick and a step. Everything gets 2 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That will make your life easier. Thank you, very nice, well done. So, then we did cool new stuff. We started out with single kicks facing our partners. Me left, her right, going kick, step, getting ready for the next kick every single time. Then we turned a bunch and then we turned. And then what we did is we tried a couple of them, but we just held hands and we tried to get half turns on every kick step. So we went half turn, half turn, half turn, half turn, half turn, half turn, until we all barfed. Just kidding. Don't do too many. But once we got turning, then we put this into a little pattern. We did kickaways. It goes like this. Double kick, double kick, double kick, double kick. I gotta get a stretchy feeling out here, trying to turn away from each other, and we kind of fight each other and help each other get back. We get a stretchy rubber band feeling out there. We're trying to keep turning in here. I catch her hip. Not her head or her ear or her armpit, her hip bone. We had a lot of talking about that. It's not sexy, it's practical. You gotta get it. We squeezed into that and then we were able to push off. We balanced each other there. So there's a stretchy feeling here and a squeeze into each other here. Watch it. Kick and kick and kick and kick. It's just double kicks. Double kick, double kick, double kick a million times. Thing we're gonna do next week, and we'll show you now, is getting in and out of it. On count number 5, that's the middle of our basic, that's when things change. So if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's an opportunity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here it comes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I go into my kickaways. Same thing on the way out. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, here it comes. 5, 6, 7, 8. The big difference, when I want to get out of the basic, I split it in the middle on count number 5. I get the hip and we kind of push off and we start going into kickaways. If I want to get back to basics, on 5, instead of catching the hip again, I grab my partner's back and just finish out a basic. The end of the basic and the beginning of the kickaways is the same double kick you're always doing. So without the panic, it's not super hard. Did a great job this week and we'll do more next week and it's gonna feel even better.